One of the most famous waterfall in terms of its uniqueness and wildness is the Handibhanga waterfall near Keonjhar. Around 50 kilometers from the Keonjhar town, you have to take the Barbil bound highway for the first 20 kilometers and then take a left to reach the Essar factory at Dabuna. To reach the waterfall, you have to trek through a narrow forest-cladded road for a kilometer or so. The trail is covered with a deep forest, and you need to cross the small rivulet, which is basically the trail of the waterfall itself. Once you reach the ramp, you witness the queen of the jungle at its best of postures. The wildness, the roughness, yet the beauty of this unique waterfall resembles the act of creation through devastation. The rocky wall surrounding the waterfall resemble the shape of a Handi, after which the fall is named. What a creation of the Almighty!